लेकिन हर्ष बेनीवाल फैंस इनको नहीं पता कोलोनोस्कोपी क्या होती है.
तशरीफ की तस्वीर.
Not in these words.
Which words then? In Swahili?
She never picks up my calls, okay?
What a fake fucking bitch.
Yeah.
What's the biggest lie you've told me?
You know, now I know your email password.
You have a problem.
I look better than you, dance better than you. I want to change many things about you. So one thing is your face.
Have you ever imagined going solo? Me? Yes.
Welcome to Two Girls and
Two
Cars. And no guests, क्योंकि बहुत हो गया. कहते हैं कि दो एक्ट्रेसेस कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकती गाइस. जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही कहते हैं. हम दोस्त नहीं हैं, हम एक्चुअली डेट कर रहे हैं.
कब? This is what you want ना. Actually तुम लोग
Of course.
हमारी बातें सुनने तो आते
अब
नहीं.
ये क्लिप रिप्ले कर करके देखेंगे वो 10 सेकंड.
वो स्कल वाला इमोजी आएगा और कहते हैं कि दोस्ती में सब कुछ माफ है. जी हाँ, ये भी सच है. Cause विराफ जो इनके हस्बैंड है और मेरे बीच में जो भी हुआ उसके लिए सलोनी ने मुझे माफ कर दिया.
सॉरी व्हाट?
इट्स ओके, डोंट बी सॉरी, बेटर लक नेक्स्ट टाइम. यस, ये भी कहते हैं कि प्यार दोस्ती है ना?
क्यों कहते हैं प्यार दोस्ती है? प्यार प्यार है और दोस्ती दोस्ती है. दो अलग वर्ड्स क्यों है फिर?
या
तो आज हम कुछ बहुत ही स्टूपिड करने वाले हैं गाइस, जिसके बाद या तो हम फ्रेंड्स फॉर एवर बन जाएंगे या फिर हम इन डेट फॉर एवर हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि हमने एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया हुआ है. वी आर गोइंग टू रिवील सम स्कैंडलस सीक्रेट्स जो हमें भी नहीं पता, बट बिफोर दैट सृष्टि वी मस्ट मेक अ पैक्ट कि आज जो भी हम यहाँ बोलेंगे,
हाँ जी,
उसके बाद हमारी फ्रेंडशिप स्पॉइल नहीं होगी.
लेट्स स्पिट ऑन इट. I also have phlegm. Come on. Just thuk balling here.
ओके गाइस, हमारी दोस्ती है ना कोलोनोस्कोपी की तरह. डीप डार्क, एक्सट्रीमली पेनफुल, मोस्टली लाइक रोना धोना होता है उसके बाद, और मोस्टली मैं ही रो रही होती हूँ. लेकिन हर्ष बेनीवाल फैंस इनको नहीं पता कोलोनोस्कोपी क्या होती है. क्या होती है सृष्टि?
तशरीफ की तस्वीर.
तशरीफ. इट साउंड्स सो ब्यूटीफुल व्हेन यू से तशरीफ की तस्वीर. तो आज हम अपनी फ्रेंडशिप टेस्ट करेंगे, बट टेस्ट करने से पहले मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. आपका इंडस्ट्री में सबसे अच्छा दोस्त कौन है?
एक तो तुम ऐसे सवाल पूछ रहे हो, हमारा वहम है कि हम इंडस्ट्री में हैं. कौन सी इंडस्ट्री, काय की इंडस्ट्री? इंडस्ट्री में वो लोग होते हैं जिन्हें काम मिलता है
कोई तेरा इंडस्ट्री फ्रेंड?
इंडस्ट्री में कनुप्रिया मैम फ्रॉम पारिवारिक इज. लव यू कनु जी. Why, what happened?
Nothing.
तुम नहीं हो ना इंडस्ट्री की.
हाँ.
वही तो मैं कहने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
Right.
आउटसाइड द इंडस्ट्री, बेरोजगारों में जो लोग हैं इस दुनिया में, उनमें से मेरी सबसे क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड सलोनी.
बट होती है क्या, दोस्त होते हैं क्या इंडस्ट्री में, तुझे लगता है? देख, अच्छा, इंडस्ट्री में लड़का और लड़की दोस्त होते हैं क्या?
हाँ.
इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक वो नहीं होता कि हम तो सिर्फ कडली कर रहे थे, हमने तो बिल्कुल मेकअप
हाँ, तो बट 1 सेकंड, रिहर्सल में हर चीज करनी होती है. अगर किसिंग सीन है स्क्रिप्ट में तो रिहर्सल तो करना ही है.
हाँ, तो
रिहर्सल सबके सामने नहीं कर सकते तुम.
भावेश
बट इंडस्ट्री में यूजुअली दोस्ती को मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज स्पेशली इफ यू आर कंटेम्पररीज and you're kind of auditioning for the same roles, which is you and me.
Yeah.
And I think it is a miracle that we have been able to stay friends, also kind of start something together.
That is so rare. पर मैं तुझे एक बात बताऊं,
हाँ,
फ्रेंडशिप 3 तरीके की होती है. गाइस सुन लो, इम्पोर्टेंट है, हर चीज फनी होने की जरूरत नहीं होती.
तुम्हारे मुंह से निकलेगा तो फनी होगा भी नहीं. So it's okay.
फ्रेंडशिप ऑफ कन्वीनियंस, फ्रेंडशिप ऑफ प्लेजर, फ्रेंडशिप ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट. फ्रेंडशिप ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट. सो कन्वीनियंस है इसकी नेबर वेबर दोस्त है जो आसपास है, मतलब ठीक है अभी चीनी चाहिए टाइप्स.
चीनी कोई नहीं मांगता.
प्लेजर इज प्लेजर.
डाइट.
शुगर फ्री मांगते हैं, जो भी है. प्लेजर इज प्लेजर, रिस्पेक्ट इज रिस्पेक्ट. व्हिच वन एम आई?
You started with convenience, then it became respect. Now it is just pleasure because I'm making money with you. Respect I lost long back.
We are not making any money.
But guys,
Sponsors.
मुद्दा ये है कि हमारी दोस्ती कायम रही है क्योंकि एक दूसरे से हमने काफी झूठ बोले हैं, काफी चीजें छुपाई है. कुछ चीजें ऐसे फ्रेंडशिप को रखने के लिए करनी पड़ती है, जो आज हम आपके सामने और एक दूसरे के सामने खोलने वाले
और
हैं.
क्यों कर रहे हैं हम हमें भी नहीं
आई
पता.
डोंट नो. कंटेंट के लिए लोग नंगे होते हैं, आज हम मेटाफोरिकली नंगे हो रहे हैं.
और गाइस मुझे लगता है दो दोस्तों के ना मॉरल्स सेम होने चाहिए, और तेरे मेरे मॉरल्स काफी सेम है ही नहीं.
So yeah.
If your friend is married to someone you don't like, then
Why is this looking like I'm the guest today and you're just asking me these? Like, am I some friendship expert? What are we talking about?
I'm warming up a little bit. Actually, I'm very scared of the
She's
confession.
scared. Yeah,
I'm very
This,
scared.
she's beating around the bush,
मुझे
guys.
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि हम ये एपिसोड कर ही क्यों रहे हैं। मतलब हमने अगर कुछ छुपाया है तो किसी रीजन से छुपाया होगा ना। अब हम ये कैमरा पे क्यों रिवील कर रहे हो? तो इट मेक्स
क्योंकि उसको टाइम हो गया और अभी आई थिंक वक्त आ गया है कि तुम्हें बता दे.
ओह गॉड, अच्छा ठीक है,
हाँ.
ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट देन. ऑलराइट, तो आज हम करने वाले हैं बहुत सारे कन्फेशंस. दिस इज लाइक वो गेम है ना इंस्टाग्राम पे, वी लिसन एंड वी डोंट जज. सो आज तो मुझे जो भी बोलेगी, आई प्रॉमिस कि मैं उसको भुला दूंगी. आई वोंट होल्ड इट अगेंस्ट यू.
Okay, same.
Be
Okay, I go first with the question. What's the biggest
No.
What's the biggest lie you've told me to protect my feelings?
You have to tell first.
To protect your feelings.
हाँ.
Not to protect my own feelings.
No, to protect my feelings. You, oh my god.
Okay. So I
Say it, I'm ready.
remember I told you that I can't come to your wedding. And I said I had a shoot. I wasn't shooting anything. I just didn't want to come.
One second. You didn't want to come?
No. Okay, honestly, I did not have the money to travel to Delhi. I was going through a bad time and I could not tell you because that was embarrassing. So I just said I'm shooting.
You are so stupid. Another friend of mine told me she couldn't travel. I did her tickets and I gave her a stay.
So you basically have broke friends. Oh,
I have
shit.
industry friends. I had the money. I would have paid for your ticket and given you a stay. You idiot.
But I had my husband also.
I'm
No?
not even feeling bad. No, I wouldn't. I would have. Maybe I would have.
Okay, you tell.
The biggest lie I told you. You know, recently, you remember you had like a meltdown?
Many times.
No, but this meltdown was work meltdown on the phone with production.
That's also many times.
The biggest meltdown.
Each and every one I have. Over here, I've had a meltdown with, including.
You know the meltdown with Tamir, me and you on the phone.
Oh, that one.
Man, you got the phone, you remember that
Yeah,
meltdown? And later I told you, no, what you did was fine. It's fine. It's okay.
You thought it wasn't fine.
It wasn't fine.
But I knew that. I knew it wasn't fine.
You knew it wasn't fine. I was just saying, no, it's okay. It's okay.
I have a
What you did was
problem.
absolutely fine. Because I told Tamir, I know it's not fine, but let me deal with it.
You told him that. You're not in my team.
Not in these words. I'm always in your team. I'm always in her team. She's in Kanupriya ma'am's team. But I'm always in her team, okay? No, I didn't
This
tell him
has
that. Not in-
started with
I didn't tell him that, not in these words.
which words then? In Swahili?
Something like that.
Bitch.
But I did it to protect your feelings. So I thought that time you were so vulnerable कि मैं सच बोलूंगी तो तू और meltdown हो जाएगा. I was like, नहीं तूने ठीक किया. Moving on.
Wait now.
Name the moment in our friendship that you almost walked away but didn't.
See, honestly, walking away from a friendship is not something that I feel exists.
None.
So, walked away, I did not feel like walking away, but I did doubt your intentions with me
When?
when the whole thing happened. Okay, guys, let me just say, this might sound very, very bachkan sound karega. Bachkan?
हाँ बचकान हाँ.
बचकान साउंड करेगा बट जब इनकी बेटी हुई थी और हर मासी को लगता है कि वो सबसे फेवरेट मासी होने वाली है तो मुझे लगा कि अच्छा इस बेबी के लिए तो मैं सोना लूंगी सोना और मेरे पास है 5,000 रुपए अपने अकाउंट में मैंने 4,000 का सोना खरीदा है उसकी बेटी के लिए ठीक है तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है पर ये आई दिल्ली की बहुत मतलब अमीर बाप की बेटी जिनके इर्द गिर्द सिर्फ अमीर ही अमीर लोग हैं जो उनको 4,000 का सोना तो वो अपने पैरों की चूड़ियों में पहनते पैरों में चूड़ियां कौन पहनता है फर्स्टली तो उन चीजों में जो मेरा सोना है वो गुम हो गया था सो सैड तो वो उसको पता ही नहीं कि मैंने उसको वो दिया है ठीक है और मुझे लग रहा है कि वाह उसको तो ऐसे कितना याद रहा होगा कि वाह सृष्टि ने सोना दिया है ना उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा उसने घुमा दिया फर्स्टली उसको पता भी नहीं है मैंने उसको क्या दिया है और उसने अपने स्टोरी पे किसी ने सेम चीज उसको दी है वो अपनी बेबी को पहना के डालती है ओ लव यू डैश डैश मासी एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट अ फेक बिच What a fake fucking bitch.
It is bachkan, but go on.
It's not bachkan.
Oh,
I
it's
spoke
not.
to 4 people and they all said it's not. Were they trying to protect my feelings?
Who are these 4 people?
2 of them were you only. You only said.
You asked me only.
You said, yeah, it is true. You apologized. What a bitch.
No, I did.
It was
I
problematic.
apologized because you felt bad. I didn't want you to feel
But
bad.
then I realized that if
Sorry.
her intentions were problematic, वो उनकी भी स्टोरी नहीं डालती क्योंकि एक्चुअली वो भुलक्कड़ है, उसको पता ही नहीं
यार
कौन
मैं
उसको क्या
एक
देता है।
सेकंड हॉस्पिटल में मतलब अभी अभी सर्जरी से आई हूँ, मुझे क्या पता क्या गिफ्ट मिले हैं यार।
तो याद रखो,
उसके बाद टेल देम व्हाट आई डिड आफ्टर दैट टू मेक यू फील बेटर।
इवन मोर प्रॉब्लमेटिक गाइस, उसने वो वाली जो नजरिया है वो निकाली, जो मैंने उसको नजरिया दी वो पहनाई, और फिर उसकी बेटी बड़ी होती गई, लेकिन नजरिया का तो साइज उतना ही है ना।
जब तक
वो नजरिया उसकी बेटी के कलाई में घुस रहा है, वो निकाल नहीं रही है क्योंकि उसको प्रूव करना है कि वो सॉरी है। प्लीज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम हर गाइस,
So
स्टे
जब
अवे
तक it
फ्रॉम
didn't start cutting into my daughter's skin just to prove a point, I made her wear that nazariya, which says I'm a true friend.
her, which says you're a problematic mother.
That's a different podcast. That's a different episode. So
But I did feel like I questioned your, like, do I mean anything to her?
odd. You mean a lot. We
Sounded
cut
so fake.
When did I walk away? Do you want to hear? I didn't walk away. Even I don't believe in walking away, but I also
Yeah, because you don't walk, you don't move. Start going to the gym.
stop. But this is guys, I'm walking away now because this is becoming about my body, and my body is a temple. But I never walked away, so this question doesn't count. Okay. What secret have you been?
You have to answer the question. What the fuck?
Okay, so I did not.
Maybe not walk away, but you felt like, अरे.
बट ये बहुत शुरू की बात है, तब हम इतने क्लोज फ्रेंड्स भी नहीं थे। हम तेरे रूम में बैठे थे वहाँ जहाँ हम शूट कर रहे थे, और तू कॉन्स्टेंटली तेरी उस टाइम की फ्रेंड के बारे में बिच कर रही थी।
Are you talking about Dream? No, I know who you're talking about.
एंड तू कॉन्स्टेंटली उसके बारे में बिच कर थी। दिस इज व्हेन आई जस्ट अबाउट मेट यू एंड आई एम जस्ट अबाउट लर्निंग टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद यू, एंड आई वाज लाइक ये तो अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के बारे में इतना बुरा बुरा बोल रही है, तो मतलब
बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं थी वो मेरी।
मतलब उसको तो लगता था ना वो तेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है। तो दैट टाइम आई वाज लाइक करूं दोस्ती कि नहीं करूं दोस्ती। मेरे बारे में भी ऐसे बोलेगी, यू नो दोस डाउट्स दैट ओ इज शी दैट काइंड। I didn't know that other person. Now I know कि yeah, whatever you were saying was genuine. But that time I was like, my God, why is she telling me about her friend?
But do you remember I came and clarified to you also that I'm not like this with all my friends?
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
remember this?
Yeah.
Guilty, always guilty.
Okay. What secret have you been holding on to that you're afraid would destroy our friendship if I knew?
Destroy our friendship secret.
ऐसा कुछ जिससे अगर मुझे पता लगा तो हम लड़ लेंगे।
मैं ऐसी चीज बताऊंगी क्यों तुम्हें?
बताना ये बताना।
I don't have anything. You say?
No, I also don't have anything.
Shut up and say now.
No,
I don't have.
I don't have anything.
अरे say ना.
You know, now I know your email password.
The fuck? What the fuck? How? How? So
No.
what? You keep going onto my email and checking my emails.
You would do the same if you had my email password. अपने सर पे अपनी मम्मी की कसम खा के बोल कि तू नहीं पढ़ती मेरे emails। पढ़ती ना।
Please log out of my email. You weird fucking person.
I'm telling you today, change your password. I've read everything.
Which email ID?
Gmail.
Yahoo. I have 2 Gmail
Gmail.
accounts. 123 or Srishti Rindani.
Change all of them.
You have all or what? क्योंकि सबका पासवर्ड तो सेम है। This is bad, guys. This is really bad. 1 second, my email. Shit.
Describe the moment you realized you could emotionally manipulate me completely.
I'm sure you did because I am very easily manipulatable.
This episode is going to make me look
I'm
like a bitch.
very
You have to say
naive.
something. Yeah, you are.
I think I will tell you when you tried to do that with me.
Tell na.
When there was that one guest who decided not to come, and I knew that my experience with calling him and talking to him is going to be very bad. I knew it. And I kept telling you, and you said that this is your time to go beyond your fears. I said, this is not my time. I don't want to go beyond my fears.
You should thank me.
That asshole was so mean to me. He was so mean to me. No, guess who it is in comments,
यार,
guys.
असली दोस्त वो होता है जो तुम्हें अपने fears को face कराए. I was just trying कि
उसके बाद जो मुझे पैनिक अटैक और
I was
meltdown
there
हुआ,
ना, I was
yeah,
there
you
ना.
know what she did, guys? I'll tell you what she did. She went like, you need a minute to finish crying. She was like this, and I was like, I'm crying. She's like, रो क्या रही है यार? She actually mocked my crying, and that is a childhood trauma.
कुच्ची
In the dress. Why is she standing like this?
मैंने बोला
See, Kuchi.
I'll put a video here of my parents legit laughing at me while I'm crying. You've seen that video. That's a childhood trauma. I have given you proof right now, and she triggered that. She went like, अभी रोने के लिए time चाहिए क्या? यहाँ script लिखे. Fucking bitch.
admit the real reason you've stayed friends with me all these years. Like for me, it's very easy. Like it can't be money, can't be networking, It can't be emotional
What do you
stability.
think with you it's networking over?
It still can, but with you it can't be. It can't be emotional stability.
You don't take me to any of your parties, so there's
You
no
are invited to all
advantage.
my
There's
parties.
no advantage. You go to all these really cool parties and you don't invite me.
I
So
don't go. My husband.
actually, there's no advantage. I'm still with you. I feel like you bring out something in me that nobody
one
should
else.
see.
But everyone's
But now
seeing it.
everyone's seeing.
See, and you're getting popular because of it.
Yeah,
So
and then in jail, cancelled forever.
I've stayed friends with you because I think this is a very nice thing. You go all out for people you love. Like मैं जब pregnant थी ना, hospital के room को इसने decorate किया था.
So cute you are.
Can you hear me?
और फिर
With
जो
my
गिफ्ट
driver.
उसको दिया उसने
रख लिया.
उसको अपने हजारों महलों वाले गिफ्टों में कहीं छुपा दिया.
Will you get over it? मेरी
No.
बेटी का हाथ कट गया है उसकी वजह से.
I will never get over it. What if I cheat on my partner? Never happening, Bhavish. Never. I love you. You're so hot. If I cheat on my partner and I come and tell you, I'm a Bangkok guy and I did like chicky wiggy and it was just like a fun thing, will you go tell my husband?
I won't tell your husband,
Bhavish,
but I will make sure you confess to him.
like how? You'll threaten me every day.
You know how. You know I'm capable.
तुम्हारे
of
पास
doing
3 दिन है. यही chance है तुम्हारा to go beyond your fears and to go and tell your husband.
that. I will make sure you do that. I am that kind of friend जो बोले जो तेरे से खुद नहीं बताऊंगी लेकिन तेरे को ऐसा इमोशनली मैनिपुलेट करूंगी कि तू खुद जाके भावेश I'm really sorry I cheated on you. See Bhavish, all the boys, you want your girls to have friends like me.
But if you really loved yourself, you would say all the boys would want girlfriends like me.
Like you?
Like you.
I'm married, sorry, not interested.
फिर आपको बताओ क्या?
Will you-
तुम्हारे जो business trips, मैं brand से मिलने जा रही हूँ Bangkok.
Viraf, what have I told you Viraf knows?
You cheated on him. Oh, that's a very good. He knows he's fine. We are in an open
We're
relationship.
in an open relationship.
Yeah.
Would you tell Bud? Would you tell Viraf?
I will
You would
fucking
tell,
call
na?
him immediately and say, bro, your wife's a bitch. She's fucking around. No, I won't.
Pakka
I
na?
wouldn't. I
Because
can't.
that time
I-
when I went to Delhi, you know.
तू लगती your prototype is like
Cheater.
no, like the nice girl next
You
door.
know, na, most criminals don't look like criminals.
Yeah, like
He's
hot.
so hot.
Shut up, cancel this.
Have you ever seen my call and not picked up?
Always.
She never picks up my calls, okay? She's only picking up my call because she thinks कि TGTC का कुछ होगा तो मैं उठा लेती हूँ, काम की बात होगी. तू वरना मेरा कॉल तो कभी नहीं उठाएगी.
Because you call a lot.
That's also true.
You have little
I have,
boundary issues.
yeah.
Yeah, and many times because she doesn't, उसको नहीं पता how to call people from.
This was not
holding the
1
phone.
second.
फोन उठा के कॉल नहीं कर पाती वो, उसको दूर से सीरी को बोलना है कॉल सृष्टि, और इसको ये जानती है 4 सृष्टि को, तो फिर हर बार मुझे ही लग जाता है.
But please stop it because
No, now I don't.
you're
Now because we are
over-explaining.
bound by contract. So.
Okay. Which brand deal of mine made you say, why not me? Guys, I must tell you something about Srishti. Srishti is sorted. I had a meeting with her manager who was trying to pitch TGTC to a brand, but she kept saying 5 times at least, Kanika, yes, I'm talking about you if you're watching it. That Srishti तो sorted है क्योंकि उसके पास तो क्योर स्किन है, वो तो sorted है, वो तो sorted है, ठीक है. अगर आप एक बेरोजगार एक्टर को बार बार बोलोगे कि उसके साथ जो काम कर रहे हैं वो sorted है तो उसको jealousy नहीं होगी तो क्या होगी. और मेरी स्किन देखो गाइस, स्किन देखो.
What are you trying to
I
say?
have better skin than you. You have better hair than me, but I have better skin than you.
You just made up something. है बोल देती हूँ.
So yes, I have had a problem because you have your skin and you're sorted. So fuck you.
You have a cute baby.
Are you jealous of any of my brand deals?
Your brand deals. Where?
Bitch.
Actually, I was very jealous of the gig that you got. Because I had also auditioned for it. Disco Diwane.
It was the
Disco dancer.
worst gig of my life. You got saved.
showtime. कोई यहाँ है नाचे नाचे, कोई वहाँ है नाचे नाचे.
This is how I look like on stage. It was kick-ass. I had a great time, but the experience was horrible working
स्टेज
with
पे
that.
सिर्फ 2 टांग दिखेगी वो सलोनी के. क्या टांगे दिखी थी स्टेज पे. ओ मजा आ गया.
वो भी shiny stockings के साथ.
और उसमें गा भी रही थी. मतलब मजा आ गया. मतलब पहली बार मुझे देख के ऐसा लगा कि मैं नहीं कर सकती है.
तू कर सकती है. तू मुझसे अच्छा करेगी.
Thanks.
What's one thing that I do that gives you second-hand embarrassment?
You can't read the room. you have a problem. Like sometimes you say like really mean things to people and they get offended and
Like
you
what?
don't realize it.
Like what?
Like sometimes you mock people. I've seen you. Like if
Who do-
somebody's saying, Saloni, give me this. Now you're like, you've done that many times.
I've never done
And
that.
you don't realize it.
I don't mock people.
You do.
Do I mock you, Shruti?
Yeah. No, you. I think you've mocked Manvi once and you've mocked Reem.
Reem? Niyati, do I mock people?
Yeah.
She's saying no.
Why would she say the truth to you? She's not in the episode.
See, you just did it.
You just did it. You do this all the time. You can't read the room and people are getting offended. You'll ask them about their divorce and their first marriage and all. Say it with you.
आजकल honesty का जमाना ही नहीं है guys. मैं free होके बात करती हूँ. मैं इतना सोचती नहीं हूँ. ठीक है?
इसलिए freedom of speech कब हो रहा है? What's something you think you do better than me but never say it?
I always say it. That's the problem.
What do you say?
Whatever I do better than you, I always say it.
What do you do better than me?
I treat people better than you, handle people better than you, handle egos better than you. I am more mature than you.
because you're, like,
look
8
better
years
than
older.
you.
That's
no, I'm not.
default.
But I look better than you. I sing better than you. I dress better than you. I spit better than you. I dance better than you.
You know, I wish that this relationship I had with my husband, because if my husband was sitting here and saying these things right now, I would have divorced him. So it's interesting how I'm taking this bullshit.
You think I don't do all these things better than you?
Look better than me क्या होता है यार?
But I do. Chal, I don't look better than
But
you. I think you
guys,
look cute.
Who's funnier?
Who
Which
else?
is the one thing you need to run this podcast. Which brings me to the next question. Have you ever imagined going solo? Me? Yes. All the time.
That you'll do this alone.
I can.
You'll do TGTC alone.
I can.
Do it then.
Are you walking off?
Yeah, do it. Fuck you.
तुम्हारा
Fuck you.
एक्टिंग काम नहीं कर रहा. काफी फेक है.
Do it, bro. Guys, आगे का episode शुरू करो. First, we can fucking do TGTC alone. Do it.
Very bad acting. गाड़ी कौन सी गाड़ी बाय
Where's my mic? Guys, I'm back only because we couldn't capture that, but she did apologize. So it's okay. But have you imagined going solo? Even I have actually. I didn't want to say it because I wanted to protect your feelings, but clearly you don't care. So I have imagined going solo, but then you do the thumbnails, which I can't do.
But we still can. We have a few more months left with this, and then we'll see what to do.
Yeah,
Because nobody should be stuck with each other.
yeah. One girl, one cup, and another girl.
No,
another
I can, honestly, I can call myself anything and still make it work. So, yeah.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, next, name the moment in our friendship where you were most tempted to end our friendship. I think it's right now.
2 minutes ago. Not even 2 minutes, 30 seconds ago. I kind of am tempted to end this friendship because this friendship works not just on mutual respect, but also on the fact that we work together. But clearly, you think you can do this on your own. So,
I can't.
why are you laughing? I'm serious.
I laugh when I'm nervous. Okay.
If you could change one thing about me, what would it be? I want to change many things about you. I want to change your face, your personality. You want to change my face. I want to change your address.
Even I want to, honestly.
But you know what I want to change the most, actually, coming back to the truth, your guilt trips. तू बहुत सॉरी बोलती है यार, पर जब सॉरी बोलना होता है तब तू सॉरी नहीं बोलती है.
कब
जैसे
बोलना था?
5 रुपए को सॉरी बोलना चाहिए था.
अभी तो तूने बोला कि मैंने सॉरी बोला था और वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ.
बोला था
अभी
रिकॉर्ड.
तो तूने बोला था कि मैंने सॉरी बोला था. अभी तो तूने बोला था कि मैंने सॉरी बोला था. अभी तो मैं
अच्छा, what is the one thing you would change about me?
I would change your need to be on top of everything.
But being
At
on top
all
is
times.
nice, guys.
It's-
Comments में बताओ.
Sometimes it's annoying because
It's never annoying.
the kind
guys.
of thing we do, जिस तरह की चीज हम करते हैं, उसमें थोड़ा सा
उसमें
chill,
ऊपर
थोड़ा
रहना
सा
ज्यादा अच्छा है यार.
relax, थोड़ा सा काम होना पड़ता है। लेकिन सलोनी का क्या है, उसकी ना जो स्क्रोटम एरिया है उसमें,
तो मेरा स्क्रोटम नहीं है।
सॉरी नॉट स्क्रोटम, क्या पीछे का क्या होता है, कोलोन एरिया,
हाँ,
उसका जो कोलोन एरिया है उसमें काफी आग लग जाती है और वो ऐसे ऐसे से होने लगती है 1 डे बिफोर शूट। और उसको सब कुछ लिखना होता है कि मैं अगर उसको ये भी बोलूंगी कि स्पॉन्टेनियसली करते हैं, उसको बोलेगी कि स्पॉन्टेनियसली क्या करना है, वो भी लिख देते हैं।
so you want to change my being on top of things?
Yeah, just being this controlling person.
I'm not control.
You are.
I'm not. You have to say one thing that we have to change.
You're controlling. I feel like you control many things that I also do, and that annoys me sometimes
that's-
because I feel like you have the liberty to do whatever you want. But when it comes to me, you keep telling me what to do. So I feel like you should just calm down on trying to tell me what to do. You're not my older
मुझे
sister,
ऐसा क्यों लग रहा
nor
है?
are you my boss, and I am not your intern.
My God, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि तू ये सब बाद में बोलेगी कि I was making it up, but you're actually saying what you want to say to me. You're using this platform to say to तुझे मुझे बोलना है और बाद में just want to say मैंने आधी चीजें तो I just skip किया था
Stop
ना।
telling me what to fucking do.
भावेश, stop telling her what to do. You know, लोग जलते हैं हमारी फ्रेंडशिप से।
कौन लोग?
वो चार
कोई नहीं
लोग।
देख रहा हमें.
वो चार लोग। Have you ever felt jealous of me?
Yeah, I felt jealous of you today, in fact, when you danced like in one.
Oh, thanks.
My yeah was like, bitch, why couldn't I do this?
I think we've said enough about each other.
When have you been jealous of me? ये जो dodge करती है
Never.
questions.
Never. No, I have. Many times. When your manager was going on saying sorted, Bhencho, I was very jealous. What the fuck? Said
Then you saw
sorted.
my bank statements also.
Yeah, then I saw your bank statements and I was like, she is sorted. Shit! She wasn't lying. She is sorted.
That doesn't mean you don't clear the dues on Splitwise.
It's cleared. It's cleared. There is nothing which is not cleared.
Okay, I have ये last मैं बस ऐसे ही problem बता रही हूँ कि सलोनी.
You owe me 566 rupees. Give.
अरे दे दूंगी. सलोनी बहुत अमीर है, मतलब उसके पापा अमीर है. पर
बहुत अमीर नहीं है. ठीक.
As an Amir girl, she should have by now gifted me lots of things, like at least a branded bag and all. उसने अभी तक दिया नहीं है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है तुम काफी चिंदी हो और तुम अपने पैसे को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहती हो मेरे से.
मेरा बैंक बैलेंस देखना है. दोबारा दिखाऊं क्या एपिसोड पे?
तुम्हारे पापा का देख लिया मैंने. चलो अभी अच्छी चीजें बोलते हैं.
What is the sweetest thing I've done for you?
मुझे याद नहीं आता. पहले तू बोल दे, मैं सोचती हूँ.
घर से सोच के क्यों नहीं आई?
घर से सब कुछ करके आऊँ मैं.
अच्छा, the sweetest thing you've done for me is decorated my room when I was.
Sorry. और वो सारा डेकोरेशन तुम घर लेके गई, मुझे पता है.
What is
मैंने
the sweetest thing I've done for you?
खर्चा
You
किया
have
था उन
10
candles
seconds
पे.
to say it, otherwise I'm walking away again.
Shit.
9,
1 second. Wait.
8,
You have done so much for me.
6. Don't give me a fucking pageant
You
dancer.
offered to give me money when I was going through a tough time.
5,
I'm just making it up.
4,
You treated me so well in your house when I came to Delhi. Your mother did.
3,
But you
take
got me such a cute gift on Christmas.
2.
What have you done for me? Do you realize that? Huh? Do you realize you've done
When you were
nothing for me?
unwell, I sent Swiggy for you so
yes,
many times.
Yes, so many times.
So many
yes,
times.
Yes,
I started that trend by
Yes,
sending
yes.
food
No,
for
no,
you. When
didn't.
you were
You
sick,
didn't
I
start.
sent you
1
soup.
second. No,
When you
didn't
were
start.
upset, I sent you a pastry. When I didn't have money in my account, I had 500 rupees. I sent you 300 rupees ka
You
pastry.
didn't start that trend. Yeah, you did. Thank you so much for that.
This episode was clearly a mistake. Next time, if you see only one of us, just know.
So here, this was our confessions episode. Like you can see, हमारी दोस्ती अभी तक बरकरार है ना? बेंच बरकरार है guys.
है ना?
और TGTC के और भी episodes आएंगे और हम बहुत सारे मजे करेंगे and love you.
और अगर और confessions है जो आप चाहते हो कि हम एक दूसरे से पूछें तो बता देना, हम पूछ लेंगे.
और कमेंट्स में बताना कि सलोनी ने मेरे लिए क्या किया आज तक.
I've really not done anything.
अरे
for you.
किया होगा यार, मेरे मेमोरी प्रॉब्लम बोला
तुझे
ना
अच्छी
यार.
चीजें याद नहीं रहती.
नहीं, मुझे से बुरी. हाँ यार, ये तो प्रॉब्लम है. बोलना है, कैमरा में बोलना है और कंप्लेन करना है.
She has a problem.
Okay, cut.
हाँ, वो कट कर देंगे बाद में. मुझे अच्छी चीज बता.
तो यही ना स्विगी जो तू करती रहती है.
That's not the sweetest thing. That's one of the sweet things I've done for you. अब तुझे पता है ना मैं सॉरी करने के लिए कितनी स्वीट होने वाली हूँ for the next couple of days. You don't know how overcompensate.
And I'm a guilty person.
Oh shit.
Two girls and
two cups, and 2 cups. Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never. Keep listening. Bye. Cheers.